what makes a good answer usually, and how do you make a good answer? So the first thing about making a good answer is that your answer should address the demand of the question. That is sine qua non. What happens is that people usually tend to write whatever comes to my mind rather than what is asked. So addressing the demand of the question is the primary aspect. Even if your content is not up to the mark, if you address the question, you will be given some marks. But if you write whatever comes to your mind, that is not going to be rewarded. So please keep in mind that the demand of the question is something that has to be addressed. There is no shortcut to it. And next is, you have to do justice to what is being asked, but you also have to write something extra. What do I mean by this? So for instance, there is a question that just asks about the problem area. So you have to give at least 6 to 7 points for the part that is asked in the question, but also you also have to include the other part that is not asked, that is suggestions might not be asked in the question, but you have to give at least 3 to 4 points for suggestions also. So what is important is that you do justice to what is being asked, give a maximum weightage to what is being asked, like 7 or 8 points, write it. And then when you're writing, you also have to write what is not being asked. What is not being asked is like whether it is suggestions when a problem is asked, or something of this sort. So this is another thing that is extremely important.